Again with Demont here. So I figured today I would come out. As you can see, it's nothing but woods. My car is parked in that direction. I don't know, 2/10 of a mile or so. You can see up through there the rock wall. And I'm bordering another rock wall. The town I live in is a lot of colonial history. So coming out here into the woods, I detected last late fall, found some nice relics up top of the hill up here. So I figured I would try today in this little separated area and then work my way to the left over here, which would be the reservoir. So swinging my coil up here, and I just crossed from that little area. I came through here using my T2 SE. I got it set today on my sensitivity is 90, discriminates 15, 4 tones. I love this machine. So I did get a signal already. I got an 84. It was fluctuating between 81, 84, then 82 to 86. So I knew it was something really good. So I digged a hole right next to this tree. I digged a hole, and as you can see, I pull out, it's either a knee buckle or a shoe buckle, but it's 100% intact. It's 100% operating. I'm just like, I'm in shock on this. This is a gem. This is one heck of a nice relic I found. So we're going to get back to digging. We'll see if we come up with anything else. And if I do, I will continue the video. We shall return. Nope, back about 10-15 minutes after the last the shoe buckle. Just got a funny signal. It's could hear iron. A lot of times when I hear iron and get a high tone right after it, 9 out of 10 times it's an aux shoe. So again, right next to a tree, there is the aux shoe. And the reason why I hear the iron tone is, see the nails inside of it still. So I get the high tone because of the good sized piece of, I don't even know what they're made out of. But then you got the nails, which is my grunt. It was wedged right in the root bed down in here is the hole. So item number 2, can't seem to have a detecting day without digging up an aux shoe. Oh, we'll return. Oh, back again. Do have a target here on my VDI, 5758. I don't know if you can see it, the glare. 2 guesses. Either going to be a nickel, or an old one, or it is going to be a head stamp. I'll be right back because I can't film and dig at the same time, so stand by. Well, not a nickel. Would be a head stamp. Hate finding them. So most of the time, that's what you get when you're out inside the woods. So look at D-Technics pinpointer. I can't lose it because of the fluorescent pink color. It is a loaner. I'm waiting for a shipment on my new Lee wader to come now. So, oh, here's my find. We'll get back. Let's see what we can find. All right, back. We're going to end this video on this hole here. So my tone was mid-70s, which a lot of times is going to indicate button. Could be some different material of a head stamp. So I've only dug the hole. I got it pinpointed to right here. Head stamp. Much bigger one, probably older, which is why it gave me the funny signal. So when you're digging out in the woods, don't get discouraged. Would recommend learn what your head stamp number will be and bypass them, because otherwise you're going to dig a whole bunch of them. But on a good note, head stamps indicate people out here hunting, and hunters did sit in places and lose coins and other artifacts maybe in their pocket, keys. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Digging in the woods. Please like, comment, and share. Have a great day. Happy summer. Happy hunting.